Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we are going to look at what the bulk SMS feature is on Keepsales. Now many of us are not new to either sending a text message or an SMS to people and also receiving messages via SMS as well. Now in our part of the world, we are more inclined to sending messages via SMS. Instead of say email, because we are sure that a lot of people are going to actually read their text messages than they would their emails. And I'm also very sure if you are reading this as a business person, you have been thinking about trying to know how to send welfare messages to your customers. For instance, you want to wish them a happy birthday, or you want to wish them a happy new month, or maybe send them a random text message to advertise your products or promo, something like that. So you want to be able to keep your customers thinking about you, and what better way to do that than the bulk SMS platform or feature. So one important thing about the bulk SMS feature that we need to take note of is that it actually keeps your customers very, very close to you. So in this video, I will introduce her to what the bulk SMS feature is. And basically what this feature will do for you is that it will allow you to send bulk SMSs to your customers. I'll not go into too much detail because it's a pretty loaded topic, but over here is just an introduction to what the bulk SMS feature is. Okay, so yeah, I won't go into too much details about that. Okay, so one of the things that we'll be looking at, okay, when we start, so in other subsequent videos, okay, I'll be taking some of the topics one at a time. Okay, so it doesn't become a very long lecture for all of us. So one of the things that we are going to understand about the bulk SMS feature is we are going to learn what a sender ID is. Okay, so what is a sender ID? So when you are sending a text, you want the customer to know that this particular text is coming from my business. Okay, so then the text message will have your business name on it. Okay, so basically that's what the sender ID is. So we'll look at that, okay, in our next video, okay, when we look at what the sender ID is. So do check it out. And then the second aspect that we will look at is how to pay to use the bulk SMS. So it's basically similar to buying airtime. So over here, you'll be able to top up with your mobile money number and whichever network you use, or using a credit card. Okay, now the amount you pay, okay, is going to be equivalent to the number of messages that you can send. Okay, so then the catch here is that the more you buy, okay, the more messages that you can send. Okay, so that point is like really, really important. You have to take note, that the more you buy, okay, the more available SMS or messages you can send. Okay, so we'll look at other things like pricing. We'll also look at some guidelines, that we have to take note when it comes to using this particular feature. And then we'll also look at some things that we have to know in relation to the whole feature as a whole, some basic SMS functionalities, how to create a message to be shared to your client, a whole lot. Okay, so do join me in these subsequent episodes, concerning this particular topic. And then I'm going to take you through this amazing feature that will transform your business and make your customers fall in love with you. Okay, so this has been it for the bulk SMS feature. It's an amazing feature. Okay, it's a very, very easy way, okay, to send bulk SMS or text messages to your client. You can send them to as many clients as you want. Okay, so don't miss out on this video. Do check our next video as we cover how to use the bulk SMS feature. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in our next video. Do have a wonderful time. Bye bye.